Hello, dear learners. Welcome to Next in English. In today's session, we'll cover indefinite tense. Clear? So today's our topic is indefinite tense. Indefinite tense denotes habitual or routine action. If we talk about time divisions like present, past, and future, so in present it denotes routine or habitual action. In past, it denotes point of time when the action happened. In future, if we talk about future, then it denotes our planning regarding the upcoming time. Clear? All right. So the first example I have written here, you can look at the example. Tea takes tea without sugar. So it's a type of action that is habitual, routine. Okay, we can't say that whether the action is completed or incompleted. That's the reason we call the tense indefinite. What is the reason of calling this tense indefinite? Because whatever the action, especially in present division, whatever the action the tense covers, we can't clarify them whether they are completed or incompleted. She takes tea without sugar, so it's her habit. Maybe the habit is gonna be till the last hour of life, or maybe it will stop within some days, within some month, or maybe next day. Okay, so that's the reason we can't say anything about the action, whether it's completed, incompleted, whether it will stop or not. That's the reason we call it a indefinite tense. If we talk about the structure, sentence structure. Okay, if we talk about sentence structure, so sentence structure is gonna be very simple. Okay, if you want to frame any of the sentence, then structure is gonna be very simple. Subject, verb, subject, verb, and thereafter object. This is the structure we are supposed to follow. Okay, if we are talking about present time, then we'll take either v1 or base form. Clear? If we talk about past time, we'll take second form. Okay, which verb that comes first in the sentence. Understood? If we talk about future, then we'll take a shall or will, and these are modals, and we know very well that modals are followed by base form only. Understood? Very good. Okay, so these are the verbs written here. We use base form or first form in present time, we use second form in past time, and we use shall and will. These are modals followed by base form only. Okay, we use for denoting future time, mean denoting our planning regarding the upcoming time. Okay, so let's frame one more sentence. This is the structure we have discussed already. Okay, if we talk about structure of the sentence, structure is going to be very simple, that is subject, verb, and object. Understood? And this is a sentence you can look at this is the sentence. Okay, he plays football. Clear? So you can check out the structure of the sentence, like we have written here subject, and then we have written here verb, then object, and the verb is in singular. Why? Because subject is also singular one. Because he, she, it, these are the pronouns. Those are considered to be singular in nature. That's why with singular subject we use singular verb. Okay, that's why we use s with the verb. You know very well that if we want to make any of the verb singular, so we are supposed to add s or es. S or es. If I talk about es, when to add es, it's very simple. If the verb ends, okay, ends with the letter o, s, x, z, double z, double x, ch, and sh. Okay, if the verb ends with letters like o, s, x, z, double z, double s, ch, and sh. Okay, then we add es with the verb. Otherwise, we can simply add s like we have added in this verb, because it doesn't end with such type of letter. Yeah. All right. If we talk about transformation, because it's very simple to frame any of the sentence in present, indefinite, subject, verb, and object. If we talk about transformation, mean if we want to transform the sentence, transformation means if we want to change any of the sentence from assertive to affirmative to negative, assertive to interrogative, that is called transformation. So first one, if we talk about type of sentences, then first one is assertive. The first one is assertive. It has two types mainly. Clear? The first one is affirmative. mean without not, without negation here, and the second one is negative, mean with a negation or with not. Not is given there, that's the reason we call it negative. If we talk about the next one is gonna be interrogative. The next one is interrogative. Yeah, the next one is interrogative, and interrogatives are there two type. First one is direct, mean which can be answered using yes or no. Which can be answered using yes or no. Clear? Using yes or no. And the other one is WH word. You can't answer such type of question using yes or no. Simply using yes or no, you are supposed to provide a detailed answer. Clear? All right. If we frame a sentence like I write a sentence here, simple sentence. They play cricket. Suppose you want to change this sentence into negative. So for changing any of the affirmative sentence into negative, you just simply need to do one thing. What's the thing? Add not. Add not. Okay. But before adding not, I would like to tell you one more thing, that we use helping verb. Use helping verb in such type of sentence. Yeah. Which is the helping verb? If we talk about indefinite one, then we use helping verb, that is do. Okay. If it is present, we use do. Okay. If the subject is singular, then we'll make the same verb into singular verb by adding es. Why? Because o is given here. O is given at the end, we'll add es. So that's why it will become yes. If we talk about past form of it, mean if past indefinite is there, then we'll use second form of it, that is did. Clear? All right. And in future we use modal, that is shall will, in those work as a helping verb. Clear? All right. So the same sentence can be transformed into negative one using helping verb, that is do or does. Clear? So given subject is plural. Subject is plural. That's why we'll write here they do not. In contracted form, we can write here they don't. Okay, they don't play cricket. They don't play cricket. It's very simple to change any of the sentence. Okay, they don't play cricket. Understood? Very good. Now let's change the same sentence into interrogative. Into interrogative. So for changing any of the sentence into interrogative, okay, if you are changing any of the sentence from affirmative to interrogative, you just need to do one thing. What's the thing? Place the helping verb, whatever the helping verb is used there, before the subject. Like it is they play cricket, you will use the helping verb first, do, and after they they play cricket. Understood? Do they play, and question mark at the end, you are supposed to add question mark. Now you have transformed the given sentence from affirmative to interrogative. Okay, from assertive to interrogative. This is the direct one which can be answered, using yes or no. But if you want to change the given sentence using WH words, it's very simple. It's very simple. How can we change? We can change like that. Whatever the WH word you want to use in the given sentence, you are supposed to use that word at the beginning of the sentence. Like if I want to use where thereafter do they play. Okay, it's very simple. Where do they? It's very simple to change any of the sentence from affirmative to negative, as well interrogative. Interrogative, both interrogative, direct mean which can be answered using yes or no, and thereafter WH word. Understood? I hope you have understood this very well. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Have a good day.